Hello guys, welcome to the third session of algebra. So today let's start with the problem. X minus y is equal to x plus y by 7 is equal to xy by 4. Whenever they are giving three expressions, we can equate to some other constant. Let's say it is as k. To simplify it, we get x minus y as k, then x plus y by 7 also as k, then xy by 4 also as k. Now from here we get x minus y as k, from here x plus y is equal to 7k. So we can solve equation 1 and equation 2, right? So when we add both the equations 1 plus 2, what do we have? 2x, y gets cancelled, equal to 8k. So we get x as 4k. Now how do we find the value of y? That's right, we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So here we get 2y, x gets cancelled, and here we get 7k minus k. So 2y is equal to 6k, so y becomes 3k. Now they have given already xy as 4k. Now from here what do we get? If we substitute x value and y value in this expression, 4k into 3k, that is 12k square is equal to 4k, right? 4 3s are and 1k gets cancelled and k becomes 1 by 3. We already assumed xy by 4 as k, right? This becomes 1 by 3. From here we get xy is equal to 4 by 3. This is the answer. Next question. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. X square plus x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by xy. This is very basic. This is like a lollipop question in CGL tier 1 or MTS or any exam. For people who know, the answer is 3. Yes, you have guessed it right. And if you don't know how, please check my first video also. I have mentioned a simple formula. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3abc. The proof is very simple. Just send z that side and then cube on both sides, then it becomes x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right? And x plus y is minus z, and minus z whole cube is minus z cube, and z comes here, then it becomes x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Sorry, why did I write ABC? I'm extremely sorry, xyz. Okay, so that is the derivation. So from here the expression they have given, if you know the LCM of yz, zx, xy, it is xyz. Please don't ask me how. Then we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This is equal to 3xyz by xyz. That's right, answer is 3. Next question. A plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a square plus b square plus c square by a square minus bc. So here in denominator they have given bc, right? So we need to make b plus c whole square somewhere to get bc. So let's make it happen by sending a to the other side, and then let's square it. Then we get b square plus c square plus 2bc equal to a square. Wow. Then b square plus c square equal to a square minus 2bc. Am I right? Yes, I am right. So we just use this here and see what happens. A square plus a square minus 2bc by a square minus bc. Then this becomes 2 into a square minus bc by a square minus bc. 2 is the answer. If x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 and xy is 1, then the value of this expression. Let's find the value of y. Y is 1 by x, right? That is 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Let's rationalize it. 3 minus 2 root 2. Then here we get 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. This is equal to 3 root 2 by 3 square minus 2 2s are 4. This is 9. This is 4 into 2, 8. So y is actually equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Wow. So x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we get x plus y as 2 root 2 gets cancelled, so that is 6. Now x minus y as, that's right, it's 4 root 2. 2 root 2 minus into minus 2 root 2, that is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, that is 4 root 2. Now they have given the expression. Obviously we can't directly substitute the x value and y value in this expression. I mean, you can substitute, but it takes so much time. Probably your exam might finish. So let's not do that. Let's try to do something simple. Let's try to express this expression in somewhere where we can actually substitute the values. So as you can see, x square is there, y square is there, and we can get 2xy also if you remove xy. So we can express this in this form: x square plus 2xy plus y square. Let's remove that xy and keep it aside. And let's do the same thing in the denominator by getting into minus, then y square. Let's throw this xy somewhere outside. So this part and this part and this part and this part, we can simplify it. This is x plus y whole square. I'm not writing xy. They have already given the value of 1. So let's put 1. And then x minus y whole square minus 1. So x plus y whole square, that is 6 into 6, 36 plus 1, 37. Then denominator 4 root 2 whole square, 4 4 is 16, 16 into 2, what is 16 into 2? 32 minus 1. So we get 37 by 31, fourth option. Another straightforward question. X they have given, then they are asking the value of this expression. Anytime they have given anything in this form, we have to focus how to remove this cube root, right? So let's send this 2 to the other side, then it becomes x plus 2. Sorry, it becomes cube root of x square plus 11. Now let's cube it. Then what it becomes? Let's start from here. X cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2. If you are cubing here, you get directly x square plus 11. This becomes x cube plus 8 plus 6x into x, 6x square plus 6x into 2, 12x equal to x square plus 11. Now we just send everything this side and see what do we get. X cube, 6x square minus x square, that is 5x square. Then 12x, there are no other x components, so let's just write it down. So this is what we want, right? So we will just send everything whatever is left to the other side, that is 11 minus 8, then it becomes 3. Another simple problem, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of. So a plus b plus c is 0, then a plus b becomes minus c, b plus c becomes minus a, c plus a becomes, that's right, minus b. So we just substitute them. So what do we get? 1 by ca plus 1 by ab plus 1 by bc, right? Okay, let's hope for the best. What do we get? ABC as LCM. Then we get b plus c plus a. Numerator part is equal to 0. So the answer is 0. This was asked in 2016 CGL, I guess. What is the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6? So first thing, we will find whatever we can get from this expression they have given, equation they have given. Then it becomes x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, right? X into 1 by x gets cancelled. So that becomes 3. Then what do we have? X square plus 1 by x square as 5. Now what they are asking, x power 6. How do we get x power 6 from x square? So we need to cube on both sides, right? Let's cube on both sides. Then x square whole cube plus 1 by x square whole cube plus 3 into x square into 1 by x square into x square plus 1 by x square equals to 5 cube. What is the value of 5 cube? 125. So this becomes x power 6. This becomes x power 1 by x power 6. This gets cancelled. This value they have already given. This is 5. So 3 into 5, 15 equals to 125. So what do we want? This part. This part is equal to 125 minus 15. That is equal to 110. If you want more content like this, please subscribe and please comment and please give any suggestions. We are ready to do any problems for you. For whatever exam you are preparing, we are ready to help you. Let it be CGL or CHSL or MTS. If you want to know a solution or shortcuts for any problem or anything specific, please mail to us or contact us. Thank you.